What's going on, everybody? Today I need to get my trailer put in there, but my truck is too long and it just doesn't work. So I need to build a hitch on my Kia. I think I'm going to do that. Fun's over. I gotta get this bumper cover off to see where I can put the hitch. Bought this universal hitch from Rough Stuff Specialties, and I'm hoping I can just put it somewhere in the back of the stock frame and support it up a little bit. Alright, looks like I'm going to have to get the spare tire out of there now. Well, here's what I have to work with. Not quite as thick as I was hoping for, but I think I'm just going to make it work. Maybe add some supports, make it a little stronger. I think that should work pretty good. So I think I'm gonna kind of copy the way it is on my Ford. So I'll get the same distance here, kind of get this same pattern. We'll put a plate on the bottom just like that. Do something on the top and then something on the back. All right, the hole sticks out 1.25 inches to the edge of the hole. Should be able to go off that. Looks like my holes were a little off, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Right, now I'm just going to weld right here where the rear bumper sits, where I won't be able to weld after I have it up in place. Right, now that it's back in place, I'm gonna tack it in there and we'll see what it looks like. Should do the job. Like, I'll put two of these, one here, and maybe a plate going down. Not too bad. Here's what the back side looks like. And I think I'm going to either put something straight back from up here, maybe back to this bar back here, this cross member, or I might go from the side out diagonal and maybe make a plate that bolts in to that bolt hole there. And there's one on this other side. I could make kind of some diagonal braces in the back. So I think I might actually do that. All right, I found this 1 3/4 tube and this 1 1/4 tube, and this one I'm gonna go straight back from the hitch to the cross member, and I'll use two of these to go from the hitch out to the sides of the frame. Got him! Alright, got one bar from the hitch to the cross member. A little gap there, but it'll be okay. And right above it. Back to there. Now I've just got to go from here out to there on each side. Just going to mark that so I know where to clean it off. So I get a good weld. Right, before I get the tube in there, I want to weld right here, just so I get that weld in before it gets covered up with the tube. like it's perfectly square already! Alright, I think it's time to weld some of this stuff up. Now, I have a seat up here. Alright, I'm going to make this kind of a hidden hitch in with the bumper, so metallic aluminum. That's what I'm going to use. Well, I think I'm just going to go with the straight bar, not do the ones out to the side. I think this will be good enough for what I'm going to use it for. If it looks like it moves at all, maybe I'll add some later. Alright, now we got to test fit the bumper to see where I need to trim out so the bumper fits back on. Just a little more. Not too bad. Well, that's about it. Other than putting the bumper cover back on. So, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. We'll see you next time. The next day I forgot to film hooking the trailer up and backing it in. Everything went great, but all you get is the security footage. I don't plan on towing with this, just using it around the house to move trailers.